Welcome to the next session, Object Creation and Saving Business Object. In this session, we are going to see how to create a business object and save with proper edit summary. This is going to be the same similar session as we had for process creation and saving processes, but the only difference is under Studios tab, instead of selecting processes folder, we are going to choose objects for creation of objects. You can create object either within the folder or you can create outside folder as well based on your need. You'll have two options to create a business object. Just right click on the root folder and you will have options called create objects. That is the one way of creating object. By the same way, you can get into the folder as well and create an object. That's the way of creation of object. The other way is like create or edit existing process label will be available. In that, you have to go to the right hand corner where you have three dots. Click on that, you will have option as a create. Both will end up in asking a pop-up where it will ask you to enter your object name. So this is the pop-up you will get as soon as you click create object option, and you have to enter a proper meaningful name for a object creation. So as soon as you enter the name, click on the next button. Will ask you to enter a description for the object for what we are creating. Just give a description for it. Clicking finish, it will end up in creating an object with proper version history. Now, as soon as I click finish, I have the version history of the object created, which is having a date and time when the object is created, and the type of edit is creation, the person who have created the object with the edit summary. For the first time, you will have object created as a edit summary. Followed by that, whatever you give while saving the object, that's going to come in your edit summary with the type of edit as a modification. Just double click the object which you have recently created, which will end up in opening the object. As you can see, Object Studio, which is in an edit mode, and the object name which I've given for the object creation. So as soon as you open your object, you will have three pages by default available in your Object Studio, whereas in Process Studio, you will have one default page, which is a main page. So in Object Studio, the first page you have initialized. So this page will call automatically whenever your object is getting loaded. So you don't need to refer it anywhere. This is inbuilt functionality. Whenever your object has been called, this initialize page will start running, and followed by that, you will have the referred actions. Same way, cleanup action is going to run at the end after completion of all your business object. Even this is also not required for you to configure or to call it anywhere. It's a by default inbuilt automatic functionality. So basically, you don't need to do anything with the initial and cleanup page. Just leave it as it is. And coming up next is the action one, the place where ideally we are going to do the development or the screen scraping activities. So that is where we'll have a object creation action, and now we are going to see how to save the business object. So to save the business object, either you can use save icon, which is available in the screen as highlighted. It is more or less similar to the Microsoft application activity as I explained in Process Studio. Just give save icon or use Control S as a shortcut option. So as soon as you give save icon, as soon as you use shortcut key as Control S or save icon, you will have a edit summary pop-up will be getting loaded, and that will ask you to enter a edit summary for what we are saving the business object which we have recently opened. So just give like so just give whatever descriptions you want, like be precise and give a meaningful descriptions when you go more in detail about a business or ideal process development. In the demo or training, you can give whatever you want, that is not going to harm you. So once you enter a edit summary, just give save option. So you will have a save icon option available here. Just click on that. The process will get, or the object will get saved, because that's going to be similar for process and objects. Now the object we have created and we have saved the object. Now we are going to get into the edit summary of the object which we have created. Go back to the studios tab as we have in the earlier places and see the edit summary now. You will have the type of edit as a modification, and the edit summary will be similar to the one which I gave while saving the business object. As I explained, now you will have a type of edit as a modification, and the person who was edited, which is by me, you will have an admin. And the edit summary you will have save for first time creation demo. This was the edit summary which I gave when I saved the business object. That's on the higher level of creation of business object and saving business object. You can create n number of business object either within a group or outside the group as per your requirement, wherever you need. Coming up next, we'll see a lot more about Object Studio, how to create an object and spy the object, and lot more. See you in the next session.